Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, here once again, here to share with you information and tips, especially on how to troubleshoot your iPad from a DOE. Okay, so if you feel like you've been struggling, you feel like you're stuck in a problem that you have, like your iPad isn't working for certain reasons, I'm going to show you some things that can help you and help you to resolve them the best way possible. Okay, without further delay, let's begin. So here, as you can see, there's different issues that rise. So if your issue is, say your issue is internet is not working or the apps are graying out. So one step possible solution that you could do is turn the Wi-Fi off and visit google.com and then turn the Wi-Fi back on. So that's one way. If you do that, that's probably one way that it could also solve that problem. Or another solution that could be is cancel CrowdStrike app download if it grays out. Okay? That's another solution you could try when you see these symbols like that. Another one, airplane mode. Turn the airplane mode on for 15 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. And that should help you with the internet as well. Okay? If that doesn't work, then you can do iTunes resync, and then auto allows 8 hours, manual allows 1 minute. So technician may be required for those, for manual, okay? Technician will be required. Now if, say you have this, and you open Zscaler and then confirm connection, allow for 1 minute. And that should get the internet running, okay? Or if you have another situation where you have this symbol, erase all contents and settings, allow 3 hours, and do not erase your data plan. So by doing that, that should also help it as well. So these are 6 things that you could, solutions you could do for that. If you do all 6 of those things and it's still not working, iPad's still not working, then I would recommend just contact the DOE, help desk, and you can see the website here, diit.nyc/family-help, if that's the last resort, okay? Now, what if your iPad is damaged or won't turn on? Or your iPad SIM is locked, PUK? Then I recommend just contact the DOE help desk there, okay? Okay, guys, these are some simple tips, some possible solutions for your iPad that you could try yourself before going to the last resort of contacting the DOE help desk, okay? All right, this is Mr. Frederick, out.